Hi, I'm Debbie from the Quilt Journal, and today I'm going to be doing a quick little tutorial on a rose motif. I kind of came up with this motif when I was looking for something to do an edge-to-edge on a quilt that I had finished, and I ended up using some continuous line designs off the internet and modified them to come up with this little fill pattern. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get quilting. Okay, here's a picture of the rose fill design. I think it's real pretty. As you can see, I've got a fair amount stitched. I already had started this video once, only to find out that the disc ran out space. So anyway, let's take it on and get it under the quilt machine and try this demo again. Okay, I have my threads pulled up and let's get started. So I come out and I start with a swirl. Now I did this two ways. First one did not have a swirl. I'm kind of a swirl girl, so I like the swirl better, but the other one I started kind of with a paisley shape. So if you are a paisley person, I will do the other one too, and you can decide for yourself because it's your quilt. Anyway, so the big thing is when you're coming around and you start, you can make these as large as you want or as small, but you need to fill in the stem where you came in and made your swirl. Otherwise, that kind of sticks out, and you can travel along and bring it in like a sore thumb. Also, when you come around, you want to do your next row and come in and not hit at the same place where you did the row before, or it ends up looking kind of daisy-ish instead of rosish. And kind of make your little petals a little swervy, and then if you need to and you feel like, space bothers you or it's too big, which I think that one's okay, I would travel down and hit it, but that one I'm going to leave. But to make it look like, ooh, I have a petal behind here, I'm just going to travel up, and then I'm going to come back, swerve it in, connect it in. And really, that's all there is to it. Now, if you wanted to do the paisley, you would just make a teardrop, go back around the teardrop, and then the rest you just begin to I tend to divide the first go around into a 3 and start building my petals, and then keep adding to them from that point on, just not hitting at the same spot. Start another row. Now, one of my goals is to really start reaching out and just making a little bit bigger designs to utilize more as edge to edge. And you can so do that, just, start out a little bigger and, start adding your petals and claiming more real estate. And before you know it, you can cover this quilt with beautiful roses in no time. So you can see in no time how you can really fill this design in and have a beautiful edge to edge. I think you guys get the idea. Hope you'll give it a try. Thanks for watching. Once again, I'm Debbie at the Quilt Journal, and have a great day.